This session I am going to discuss about Fibonacci series program. This program belongs to 8086 microprocessor. So before I start my session, first I clearly explain the manual calculation of Fibonacci series. Then only you can easily understand the program. So let us consider one example. What is the Fibonacci series of 8? First I write the series 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you find the Fibonacci series of 8. First you assign the first and second series number. So first series number you consider 0, 0, second one 0, 1. What is the result of Fibonacci series? 3. It's very easy to calculate. So this one is the first number, this one is the second number. Just adding these two numbers. So first number plus second number, you can get the result 0, 0 plus 0, 1. The result is 0, 1. So 0, 1 is the Fibonacci series of 3. If you want to find the Fibonacci series of 4, so this one is considered as first number, this one you consider as a second number. Just adding these two numbers 0, 1 plus 0, 1, you can get the result 0, 2. So 0, 2 is a Fibonacci series for 4. Then Fibonacci series for 5. So this one considers first number, this one considers second number. Just adding these two numbers 0, 1 plus 0, 2, the result is 0, 3. Then you find the 6. This one considers first number, this one considers second number. Just adding these two numbers 0, 2 plus 0, 3, 0, 5. Then you go to find the 7. So this one considers first number, this one considers second number. Just adding these two numbers 0, 3 plus 0, 5. The result is 0, 8. So 0, 8 is a Fibonacci series for 7. And final one. So this one considers first number, this one considers second number. Adding these two numbers 0, 5 plus 0, 8. The result is 13. So 13 equivalent hexadecimal values 0 DH. So Fibonacci series of 8 is 0 DH. So this is the simple manual calculation. So this calculation is converted into 8086 microprocessor program. Now I am going to explain the sequence of the program. The first instruction is ORG 1000H. So ORG represents it declares the origin of the program. So after execution of this instruction, the program counter value is set to be 1000H. Now the program counter value is 1000H. So initial value of the program. Then you initialize the starting a data memory location. So move SI, 1100H. So this 1100H is a immediate data. It's a 16-bit data. So this data is considered as a immediate. So after execution of this instruction, this 1100H is transferred to SI. Now source index value is 1100H. That's a initial memory location for the first data. Then move CL comma within bracket SI. So in 8086 microprocessor, any data is passed within bracket, it considered as a address location. So move CL comma within bracket SI. Here within bracket SI 1100H. So this 1100H considered as a address location. So in this address location, it holds the data 8. So 8 is the count value. So Fibonacci series count value. So this value is held in the memory location 1100H. So after execution of this instruction, CL value goes to 08H. So whatever value present in this memory location, this content is transferred to CL register. Then increment SI. So now you increment the SI, source index value, you get the first data. So after incrementing, you can get the memory location 1101H. Then move AL comma 00H. So here you are initializing the first series number, so first data. So move AL comma 00H. This 00H is a 8-bit data. So this data is the immediate value. After execution of this instruction, this 00H is transferred to AL register. Now AL register content is 00H. Then move SI comma AL. Now SI value, source index value is 1101. So it's a memory location. Whatever value present in AL register, that content is load to SI. So this content is moved to SI. So AL content is 00. After execution of this instruction, the memory location 1101 it hold the data 00. Then increment SI. So after incrementing the SI value, you can get the memory location 1102. So 1102 now source index value. Then increment AL. So now increment the accumulator content, you can get the second data. So AL value is 00. After incrementing, now AL register content is 01. Then move SI comma AL. So whatever value present in AL register, that content is transferred to SI. Now AL register content is 01. So this 01 is transferred to the memory location 1102. So after execution of this instruction 1102, it hold the 8-bit data 01. Then subtract CL comma 02. So this instruction says the CL value is decremented by 2. Because here you get the 2 values. So first 2 values you get. So only you decrement the CL register count. So after execution of this instruction, CL minus 02. So CL value is 08 minus 02. Now CL register content is 06. Now we go to the next instruction, decrement SI. So decrement the SI register content. So the SI register content is 1102. So after decrementing, this value goes to 1101. Then move AL comma SI. So whatever value present in this SI memory location, that content is transferred to AL. So here SI is represented within a bracket. Within a bracket, any data is present, that data considered as a memory location. Here SI value is 1101. So it considers as a memory location. So in this memory location, whatever value present, that content is transferred to AL register. So 1101. So this memory location, it holds the data 00. So this value is transferred to AL register. Then increment SI. So after incrementing, the SI value is 1102. Then move BL comma SI. So whatever value present in SI, that content is load to BL register. So SI value is 1102. So it's considered as a memory location. So in this memory location, we hold the data 01. So after the execution of this instruction, is 01 is transferred to BL register. So now BL register content is 01. Then add AL comma BL. So far you get the first number and second number, just you applying the operations. So add AL comma BL. So AL value is 00, BL value is 01. So just adding these two content, the result is 01. So this 01 is stored in a register AL. Then increment SI. Now SI value goes to 1103. Then move SI comma AL. So whatever value present in accumulator, that content is transferred to SI register. So SI is a memory location 1103. So in this memory location, after execution of this instruction, it holds the data 01. So this 01 is transferred to the memory location 1103. Then the next instruction, loop generation. So this instruction says decrement the CL register content. Decrement the CL register content, and this loop is run until CL value equal to 0. So after execution of this instruction, CL value decremented by 1. So CL value is 06. So now decremented by 1, 05 is stored in the register CL. Then the program counter skip the location to generate. Decrement SI. So decrement SI. So SI value is 1103. So after decrementing, you can get the result 1102. So this 1102 is load to SI register. Move AL, SI. So now SI register memory location is 1102. So whatever data present in this memory location, this content is transferred to AL register. So after execution of this instruction, AL value is 0, 1. Then increment SI. So after incrementing, the SI value goes to 1103. Move BL, SI. Now SI value is 1103. In this memory location, we hold the data 01. So this 01 is transferred to BL register. So BL register value is 01. Then add AL, BL. So AL register content is 01. BL register content is 01. Just adding these two register content, the result is 02. 02 is stored in a register AL. Then increment SI. So SI value goes to 1104. So this memory location represent for source index. Now SI value is 1104. Then move SI, AL. So whatever value present in AL register, the content is transferred to SI. Now AL register content is 02. So this result is transferred to the memory location 1104. So after execution of this instruction, this memory location it hold the data 02. Then loop generate. So decrement the CL register count. Then it go to the loop instruction. So generate. Decrement SI 1103. Then move AL, SI. So whatever value present in SI, that content is transferred to AL. So SI value is 1103. Here the data is 02. This 02 is transferred to 01 is transferred to AL register. Then increment SI. So SI value incremented by 1. So after incrementing this value 1104. Move BL, SI. So SI value is 1104. This memory location will hold the data 02. So this value is transferred to BL register. Now BL register content is 02. Add AL, BL. So AL value is 01. BL value is 02. Just adding these two content, the result is 03. Then increment SI. So after incrementing, SI value goes to 1105. So this data is stored in a register SI. Move SI, AL. So AL value is 03. So this value is transferred to the memory location 1105. So after execution of this instruction, 1105 memory location it hold the data 03. Then loop generate. Decrement the CL register count. Now CL register count is 03. It execute here. The label name mentioned here generate. So decrement SI 1104. Then move AL, SI. So whatever value present in the memory location 1104. So this content is transferred to AL register. Now AL register value is 02. Then increment SI. So this value incremented by 1. So after incrementing, SI value is 1105. Then move BL, SI. So SI value is transferred to BL register. So 1105 hold the data 03. This value is transferred to B register. So BL register. Then add AL, BL. So AL content is 02. BL register content is 03. Just adding these two number, the result is 05. Then increment SI 1106. Now SI value is 1106. Then move SI, AL. So AL content is transferred to SI. AL register content is 05. So this data is transferred to the memory location 1106. So after execution of this instruction, the memory location 1106 it hold the data 05. Then loop generate. Decrement CL register content. Now CL value is 02. Then it go to the loop, label name generate. So decrement SI. Now SI value is 1105. Then move AL comma SI. So whatever value present in SI, this content is transferred to AL register. Now 1105 in this memory location, it hold the data 03. 03 is transferred to AL register. Then increment SI. So after incrementing SI, the result is 1106. So this memory location is stored in the register SI. So move BL comma within bracket SI. So whatever value present in SI, this content is transferred to BL register. So 1106, it hold the data 05. This 05 is transferred to BL register. Now BL register value is 05. Then add AL comma BL. Just adding these two content. So AL value 03, BL value 05. Result is 08. Then increment SI. Now the SI source index value is 1107. Then move SI comma AL. So AL content is transferred to the memory location SI. So AL content is 08. So this data is transferred to the memory location 1107. After execution of this instruction, memory location 1107, it hold the data 08. Then loop generate. So once decrement the CL register content, then go to the loop generate here. Decrement SI. Now SI value decremented by 1. We can get the value 1106. Move AL comma SI. After execution of this instruction, AL value is 05. Then increment SI 1107. Then move BL comma SI. So whatever value present in here, this content is transferred to BL register. Now BL register value is 08. Then add AL comma BL. So AL value is 05, BL value is 08. The result is 13. So 13 equivalent hexadecimal number is 0DH. So this 13 goes to the memory location 1108. So after adding these two register content, the result is 0DH. Then increment SI. Increment the memory location 1108. Then move SI comma AL. So whatever value present in AL, this content is transferred to the memory location here. Then loop generate. Decrement the CL value. Now CL value goes to 00. So this loop is exit. It executes the next instruction halt. So halt represent for end of the instruction. So far we discussed how to find the Fibonacci series of number 8. So first you clearly understand the manual calculation, then only you can easily write the program and understand the program. So thanks for watching my channel. If you are not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe and support us to make lot of videos. Thank you.